Ukrainian grain ship navigates new corridor. A significant development has taken place in Ukraine's efforts to navigate the challenges posed by the collapse of an unbrokered grain deal. A container ship named Joseph Schelt, flying the flag of Hong Kong, embarked on a voyage from the southern port of Odessa in Ukraine on Wednesday, laden with 30,000 metric tons of grain and food products. This ship has successfully traversed the Bosporus and reached the Sea of Marmara near Turkey, marking its final destination. This voyage carries immense significance, as it is the first instance of a vessel using a newly established temporary Black Sea shipping corridor. The establishment of this corridor came in response to the disruption caused by the breakdown of the grain deal last month. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky hailed this achievement and referred to it as the functioning of the grain corridor. The ship's journey included navigating through the Black Sea, along the territorial waters of Romania and Bulgaria, before making its passage to Turkey. Russia's withdrawal from the UN and Turkish brokered deal in July created uncertainty around the transportation of Ukrainian grain via the Black Sea. Russia issued warnings regarding the potential militarization of ships heading towards Ukraine. In response, the Ukrainian Navy established temporary corridors for merchant ships to sail to and from Ukrainian ports, though acknowledging the persisting military threat and mine danger from Russia. The completion of this voyage underscores Ukraine's commitment to ensuring the continuity of grain transportation and its resilience in the face of challenges. Alleged drone strike and tensions. An alleged drone strike attempt on Moscow's airports has ignited tensions between Russia and Ukraine, manifesting in a series of events. Russian authorities suspended traffic to major Moscow airports, Vnukovo, Domodedovo, Sheremetyevo, and Zhukovsky, citing the need to safeguard civil aircraft flights. Russia swiftly attributed the drone strike attempt to Ukraine, classifying it as a terrorist attack. Russia's defense ministry stated that a drone, launched by the Kiev regime, carried out the attack, ultimately being intercepted by Russian air defense systems. The drone veered off course and landed on a non-residential building in Moscow. The incident prompted the diversion of 7 flights to alternative destinations, highlighting the disruptions caused by the security measures. Subsequently, the restrictions on air travel were lifted and normal airport operations resumed. The events underscore the heightened tensions between Russia and Ukraine, further exacerbated by allegations of cross-border actions and threats. As these tensions persist, the incident serves as a reminder of the fragile security landscape in the region. Maritime and airspace tensions surrounding Japan. The escalating tensions in the Indo-Pacific region have manifested in multiple incidents involving Russia and China in close proximity to Japan. Japan's defense ministry reported the scrambling of fighter jets in response to the presence of Russian Il-38 information gathering aircraft in the Sea of Japan and the East China Sea. These aircraft traversed the Tsushima Strait, a vital passage between Japan and South Korea. This follows an earlier incident where Russian and Chinese naval ships were observed crossing international waters near Okinawa Island and Miyako Island in southern Japan. This joint naval activity, viewed as a show of force, prompted Japan's defense ministry to express concern about the increased military activities conducted by Russia and China in the sea and airspace surrounding Japan. Amid these developments, Japan's relationship with Russia has deteriorated due to the Kremlin's invasion of Ukraine. As part of its response, Japan has imposed sanctions on Moscow and pledged humanitarian aid to Ukraine. The evolving security landscape continues to impact regional dynamics, and Japan remains vigilant in safeguarding its airspace and territorial waters.